Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Monday and I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. And this reading here is for Taurus. Welcome, Taurus. The reading starts with the Astrology of You and Me Oracle deck. And today it is the Taurus parent. Strengths are to be giving, nurturing, and dedicated. Weaknesses are to be a bit autocratic and sometimes overbearing. The interactive style of the Taurus parent is being very affectionate, protective, and also controlling. Being nurturers by nature, Taurus parents, they are in their true element when they are parents. It is difficult for them, however, to give unconditionally. Conditions must be met with regards to a Taurus's strong beliefs. So there might be some difficulties coming up when such fulfilling of beliefs is not fully met. And a Taurus parent is quite capable of not following through on a promise and even taking back something given when they feel that they have been disappointed by their children. The Good Tarot has two cards. Card number 1 is the King of Air, and the King of Air is about intellectual authority, reason over instinct, intellect over passion, successful negotiation, rules, and laws. Say this: truth is everything. I think before I act. I work the universal laws with clear intention. Do I see how the foundations of the past affect the present and the future? Card number 2 is the Eight of Earth. It's about apprenticeship, gaining knowledge, learning, and employing a new craft or a new skill. See this? Even masters of their craft have more to learn, and I eagerly embrace the opportunity to go deeper, develop a greater understanding, and find new ways to apply what I know. I acknowledge all that I have learned and accomplished, the skills I have developed, and the goals I have reached. Now is the time to find new ways to apply what I know to enhance my expertise. My beginner's awkwardness has melted away, and I know what I am doing now. I have the confidence to become more intimate with the work in all areas of my life. The Sacred Traveler card that came out for you is staying focused. And the card staying focused is about to hold the course. The card's meaning is to be clear about where you are going and do not compromise anything. Follow your dreams. You deserve the very best. Prioritize your life, and once you decide on a direction, hold on to the course and do not veer. Do what is important and release the rest, and place your intent and your passion on one thing rather than scattering it in many directions, and then you will be successful. The sacred traveler wants you to know on the path it is easy for the traveler to be distracted by people, events, and even shiny objects. Do not take these side roads and stay on the course and keep going no matter what emerges in your path that might distract you. It is easy to get lost and forget where you are heading. So recommit yourself to your destination. What you focus on is what you create. So put your attention on what is worthwhile, beautiful, and inspiring, and refrain from focusing on what is not working, and only focus on the direction that you want to go. The Goddess Temple card that came out is the Shapeshifter. Learn the art of adaptability is the message. The ability to incorporate elements, characteristics, and energies of nature. Try to enter the body of someone or something else by participating in creation and expanding your consciousness and also your boundaries. And the last card is from a new deck called Oracle of the Birds. And the bird that came out for you is the woodpecker. And the woodpecker is about imagination and introspection. And the meaning of the card is to listen to talk, 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 talk. If woodpecker knocks at your door, it brings you the medicine of vital life energy, which you can use to actively shape your life. The woodpecker provides a happy turn of events. Active creation requires imagination to start with. So imagine your life as you desire it to be, and then begin to act accordingly while staying true in love. It is time to leave the path that other people have prepared for you, and to set out on your own unique path. Put yourself out there, follow your heart, and everything is already happening for you. The magic feathers of the woodpecker, they speak to you, saying, "In my wave-like flight, I guide you through the change of the polar forces, light and dark, ebb and flow, male and female. I challenge you to follow your intuition and the path of your heart, teaching you to recognize the rhythm of your life and to go with the forces instead of fighting them. My magic feathers will accompany you to the dream world where your dreams and your visions originate. So look through them in your inner mirror and discover the living sources that dwell within you. I help you to actively release yourself from any old attachments so that you become free for your life. More meanings to the card are imagination, a loving and a feeling heart, shaping your life actively, the vital power within you, and healthy, lively expression on the outside. Say this affirmation: I follow my heartbeat and realize my dreams. My heart leads me to the source of a fulfilled life, full of love and joy. That was your reading, Taurus. I hope you liked it. I thank you for listening. I do wish you a great day today. I wish you a wonderful whole week. I'm sending out my love to you. Take care and goodbye.